What if landing your first $100 online is just a few clicks away? Nope, it isn't about trading stocks. It's not about creating a website either. And forget about trying to become an influencer. It's all about utilizing free AI tools that are ready for you now. Actually, thousands of everyday folks are already harnessing AI to do simple tasks businesses pay for. Here's the kicker. Many started with zero experience at all. No tech skills whatsoever. No fancy marketing degrees. No coding knowledge. So if you've ever pondered if AI can help you earn online, stick around. In just a few minutes, I'll share a step-by-step guide to help you snag your first $100 online. And I'll spill the beans on the exact free tools you can dive into today. The problem, most individuals never make any money online. Not because chances aren't out there, but often they make things way too complicated. They believe they need a massive social media following, costly software, advanced skills, months of training. Consequently, they waste weeks watching videos, reading up on articles, comparing different side hustles, and taking zero action. Meanwhile, businesses are actively seeking people for tasks that AI can do much faster and easier. The opportunities are out there. Most just aren't searching in the right spots. The solution: instead of trying to build a complex online venture, start off with something much simpler. Offer a small service. Leverage free AI tools to complete that service quickly. Get paid. Then do it again. That's how many successful freelancers kicked off their journeys. And remember, the goal isn't to make thousands right away. The aim is to prove to yourself that earning online can happen. Once you pocket your first $100, everything shifts. Now, let's get into the roadmap. Step 1. Choose a simple AI-assisted service. The biggest mistake newcomers make is offering everything under the sun. Don't go there. Select one simple service. Here are some ideas: creating social media content, formatting blog posts, writing AI-generated captions, crafting product descriptions, designing Canva graphics, providing research support, drafting emails. Notice anything? None of those require years of experience. And AI helps you do them much faster. For instance, ChatGPT can whip up content ideas in seconds. Canva enables you to make professional graphics in just minutes. What once took hours can now be done in a flash. Step 2. Learn the tools. Let's chat about these free AI tools. Tool number 1, ChatGPT free. Utilize it for generating content ideas, assisting with writing, summarizing research, drafting emails. Tool number 2, Canva free. Employ it for social media graphics, presentations, marketing visuals, any kind of visual content tool. Number 3, Google Gemini. Use it to brainstorm ideas, conduct research, create content. Tool number 4, Microsoft Copilot. Leverage it for writing support, productive tasks, generating content. You won't need paid plans to get moving. Free versions will be enough to earn your first $100. Step 3. Create sample work. Here's where many beginners hit a wall. They often say, "I don't have clients." That's fine. You don't need clients right now. You need samples. Let's say you want to provide social media content. Create 5 sample posts. Interested in writing product descriptions? Draft 3 sample descriptions. Want to design Canva graphics? Make 5 professional examples. These samples will form your portfolio. They'll show potential clients your capabilities. Step 4. Find people who need help now. It's time to discover buyers. Start with platforms like Fiverr, Upwork, freelancer businesses. Check these sites daily, looking for help. Your task is to align your service with their needs. And here's a tip most beginners overlook. Don't stress about getting rich. Focus on landing your first client. Just one client can change everything. Step 5. Send simple proposals. Many people tend to overthink proposals. Just keep them short. How about something like, "Hi, I noticed your project and would love to help. I have experience using AI tools to create quality content quickly. I'd be glad to share samples and chat about your needs." That's all there is to it. Simple. professional, direct. Your objective isn't perfection. It's about creating a dialogue. Step 6. Deliver great work once someone hires you. This is where you really shine. Respond promptly. Communicate clearly. Meet your deadlines. Use AI to boost efficiency, but always double-check your work before submitting. Keep in mind, clients aren't paying for AI. They're paying for the results. The better your outcomes, the more likely they'll hire you again. The first $100 roadmap. Let's tie everything together. Day 1, choose one service. Day 2, get acquainted with the essential AI tools. Day 3, produce sample work. Day 4, create your profile. Day 5, start sending out proposals. Days 6 through 14, keep applying. Enhance your samples. Refine your profile. Land your first client. Imagine charging just $20 per project. Fast forward 5 projects. You've scored your first $100 online. Not by chance, not by some trick, but by solving genuine problems with the assistance of AI. The result, now, picture this. You wake up tomorrow, you check your phone, and a payment notification pops up. Maybe it's $20, maybe it's $50, perhaps it's your first $100. The amount isn't what matters. What counts is what that payment signifies. It shows that total strangers are willing to pay for the value you provide online. Once that realization hits, a whole new realm of opportunities unfolds. You'll stop asking, "Can I make money online?" and start pondering, "How can I expand this?" That's when the real excitement kicks in. CTA, if you found this roadmap useful, make sure to subscribe for more strategies to earn with AI. Now, I've got a question for you. If you had to pick one AI-powered service to kickstart today, which would it be? Content creation, Canva design, research help, or something else? Drop your thoughts in the comments. And remember, your first $100 online isn't just about the cash. It's about showing yourself that it can truly happen. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll catch you in the next video.